as followers of Christ, we ought not only to enjoy the benefits of the cross. Marami po ngayon yun ang tinuturo. Ang mga sumusunod do kay Kristo, ito lang ang buhay. To enjoy the benefits of the cross. To be happy, prosperous, and victorious. Yun lang ang bukang bibig. Pero hindi po nagtatapos dun, mga kapatid. We ought not only to enjoy the benefits of the cross, but to be like Him. Kaya minsan hindi natin lubos na nauunawaan kung what it means to live for Christ, to serve Christ, to follow Christ. Hindi natin naiyakap yung buong katotohanan na pag naglingkod, pag sumunod, pag tinanggap mo si Kristo sa iyong buhay, it's not just about living life to the full. It's also about imitating Christ. It's also about being like Christ. It's also about carrying with you the attributes, the values, the beliefs, the attitude of Christ.